Here's the answer. We can define hash table get bucket, and it takes two inputs, the hash table, we'll call that h table, and the key, which is the word we're looking for. And to find the bucket, well, we're going to use hash string. We're going to pass in the same word, the keyword, that's the input key. The number of buckets is the length of this table. So we're going to call hash string, passing in the key. And as the second input, we need the length of the table. That's the number of buckets. So that will get us a number, which is the index of the bucket we want. To get that bucket, we need to use that as the index to select that element from htable. And then we want to return the result. So that's all we need to find the bucket. Let's look at that in the Python interpreter. So here's the code we have so far. We have the hash string procedure we defined that maps a keyword and a number of buckets to the position where that should occur in the hash table. We have the make hash table procedure that creates an empty table with that number of buckets. And now we have the hash table get bucket procedure that takes a hash table and a key and gives us the element of the hash table, which is where that key would belong, using the hash string function to find the right position.